everybody, welcome back to Roll with the Flow Garage. Part of the reason why I named my channel this, well, you have cars, you just gotta roll with the flow, no matter what happens. In this instance, I was gonna show you all some driving videos of the car. Well, I can't. As you know, car has a turbo. Turbo has decided it no longer wants to turbo. So let me show you what I mean here. That there is no bueno. That turbo is shot. It's an extreme amount of play. Last drive started making a bunch of noise on me on the way home, and I knew that sound all too well from a Power Stroke that I have that lost the turbo. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this turbo off of here tonight, and I'm gonna see if I can rebuild it. I'm hoping I can, but it's 15 years old or so. Really don't know why it failed. I have probably around 1,000 miles on it, and that's it. So definitely didn't expect to lose the turbo already, but I did take the oil line off, and I put it in a bottle and started the car, made sure it was getting oil. It's getting plenty of oil. Okay, so just have to get both of these downpipe clamps off real quick here. Got the turbo off here. Now we'll take it to the bench and I'll show you how much play it really has. Look at that. Look how much play that thing has. That is insane. I know it doesn't probably show on video, but I mean, if you see that gap close, I mean, that shouldn't move at all. That is bad. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to rebuild it, but I'm going to take it apart and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're going to take this thing apart, see what we can find out on this thing. So here we are, folks. It is 100% apart as far as I can get it anyways. I would need some tiny little snap ring pliers just to get the snap rings out of there to be able to pull the bearings out. But as you can see, that's the center section there, and that is completely covered in oil, and that is bearing material as well. You can see the impeller where it's been scraping the housing. And then we have this center plate here that the impeller goes through. And you see how much play is in that bushing there. So I would think that this piece here would be bad. I think. I mean, I don't know 100%, but with that much play, that's already a bushing, I would think that this would have to be replaced. So, and then unfortunately as well, my turbo blanket came apart. And we'll conclude this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. I've never seen the inner workings of a turbo. I've never seen one of pieces. I really wanted to do that. Just give me a like and a subscribe. I really appreciate you all coming and watching my videos. Till the next project happens, which is real soon. I've got one more part I need to change on the Fairlane, but until then, just gotta roll with the flow. Thank you all.